Hey folks, Don DeRosa here. If you've ever wanted to take your real estate business to the next level and get a coach, now is the time to do that. We're offering, with our expert real estate coaching program, we offer a 24-month coaching program, and we're doing something that honestly we've never done before. If you've been around Atlanta REIA long enough, you've heard about our expert real estate coaching program. It's 2 years. You get all the software you need, all the forms you need. We hold your hand for 2 years. We give you a meeting every Wednesday at 7 p.m. It's a curriculum that we have spread out over the course of the term. We also meet with you every Monday and Friday for accountability calls. Not to mention a whole network of people that are like-minded like yourself. Well, we've had this program for many, many years, and this week we wanted to do something special to start off the new year, to get people really in the best mindset possible to take their business to the next level. So if you've ever thought about coaching or getting a coach, you might want to check this out. If you go, and you can go and call our number, 678-661-6951, 678-661-6951. That's our phone number. Give us a call and we'll tell you all about the program and what you get. We've also got some pretty phenomenal new financing that we're going to do this week, unlike things we've ever done in the past. So if you're interested and maybe the price was too high for you before for coaching, you might want to give us a call and check it out, because we have new financing that's 12 months financing with a very easy down payment. So give us a call, 678-661-6951 if you're interested. Or you could give us go to expertrealestatecoaching.com and check it out. Join for free, and we look forward to seeing you. Now's the time to do it, so happy investing. Have a good New Year's and happy holidays.